Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPad is updated and backed up. This prevents surprises. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Home Screen and Dock, then to Multitasking. You need these screens to change which bars appear. Make sure you've turned off any app suggestions first. This reduces dock clutter and prepares the system for the next changes. You'll act on two specific toggles next, so keep settings open and follow each switch exactly as I say. Now you'll remove the visible taskbar elements. First, in Home Screen and Dock, turn off Show Suggested and Recent Apps. This removes quick app thumbnails. Next, open Multitasking and switch off Allow Multiple Apps and Gestures. Doing so forces apps to use full screen and hides the multitasking shelf. If Stage Manager is enabled, swipe down Control Center and turn Stage Manager off. This stops the persistent Stage Manager bar. After each change, return to the home. Finish by restarting the iPad so all interface changes take effect. Hold the power button, slide to power off, then power up. If the taskbar returns, double-check the multitasking and home screen toggles and confirm Stage Manager remains off. Also ensure iPad OS is current. As a quick workaround, use guided access to lock a single app full screen when you need no bars at all. If something still fails, a settings reset, settings general transfer, or reset can restore default behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.